If you want to use two TikTok accounts on the same phone, this video will show you how to add a second account step by step. First, open the TikTok app and tap Profile at the bottom right corner. Now, tap your username or account name at the top of the screen. Here, you'll see your current TikTok account. Tap Add Account. Select Log In, since we're adding an account that already exists. TikTok will give you several login options, including phone or email, Google, Apple, and Facebook, depending on your device and account. Choose your preferred login method. For example, select Use Phone Email Username. Then enter the username or phone number connected to your second TikTok account. Tap Continue, enter your password, and tap Continue again. Your second TikTok account will now be added to the app. That's how you can add and switch between two TikTok accounts on the same phone. If you find this video helpful, click like, subscribe, and share it with others.